Hey everyone, I'm David Finz, and this is a special edition of the Cyber Insurance Imperative. I'm at the IT Nation conference in Orlando right now, but I wanted to take some time to address the announcement today by Adrienne Harris, the superintendent of the New York State Department of Financial Services, proposing a second round of amendments to its cybersecurity regulation for financial institutions doing business in the state. Now, as you may know, the DFS's original regulation, which came out in 2017, became a model that is now being emulated elsewhere. The DFS says it's taking this step to ensure that regulated entities keep pace with the changing threat environment and adopt best practices to protect consumers and businesses. As Superintendent Harris notes, and I quote, cyber criminals go after all types of companies, big and small, across industries, which is why all of our regulated entities must comply with these standards, whether a bank, virtual currency company, or a health insurance company. End quote. The proposed amendments are meant to integrate cyber risk into business planning, decision making, and ongoing risk management. The changes include classifying companies into 3 tiers, raising the threshold that exempts smaller companies from many parts of the regulation, heightened governance standards to make cybersecurity a priority in the boardroom and the C-suite, stepped up security controls to keep bad actors out of a network and halt the spread of any attack, mandating that businesses conduct regular risk assessments and strengthen their incident response plans, and expanding corporate training around cybersecurity awareness. These amendments were developed after receiving feedback from regulated entities and industry groups and are subject to a 60-day comment period from the public before DFS revises the proposal or adopts the final regulation. So what's the takeaway here? Well, first off, don't think that just because your business is not located in New York State that this doesn't apply to you. As I noted earlier, the DFS cybersecurity regulation has served as a model for other regulators, both at the federal level and in other states. So, what's happening here may end up happening where you are. If you'd like a copy of the proposed reg, you can poke around on the DFS website or just DM me on LinkedIn and I'll send you a copy. It's quite extensive, more than I can do justice to in a podcast, so you'll want to discuss this with your in-house counsel, or better yet, with a qualified data privacy attorney that can help you prepare your firm for what's coming. Need a referral to one? Again, you can DM me on LinkedIn or email me at david.finz@alliant.com, and I can put you in touch with several qualified attorneys that you can vet for yourself. And as far as your cyber insurance policy goes, you need to confirm that coverage is triggered by the commencement of any privacy regulatory proceeding, regardless of whether it was preceded by a data breach. If you don't have that wording or you're not sure what to make of it, well, I'll be happy to take a look at that for you as well, because that's a conversation your current broker should be having with you. And making sure that our clients have best-in-class policy wording is just one more way that Alliant helps you find the more rewarding way to manage risk. Thanks for watching.